Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I created this look, this no makeup look. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. So for the base I use L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in shade 208. It is their darkest shade. And I pour about that much into my hand, warm it up in my fingers, and then just apply mostly on my cheeks and then spreading the rest up to my forehead. This is a medium to full coverage foundation with a glow, so a dewy finish. And then just to make sure there's no harsh lines, I pat it in with my beauty blender. Then to try and cover the bags under my eyes, I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in medium. And I'm careful not to go too close to the lash line, and just place the concealer where there's darkness. And then I lightly blend it out with my beauty blender, just patting lightly so that the sponge doesn't pick up a lot of the product and it sort of sits lightly and covers better. Now just to set the concealer, I use the Fit Me pressed powder in medium also. And I do this by using my beauty blender. I just lightly dab in the pan. Then I go in with my Nars Laguna bronzer. I'm so upset because I dropped this morning and it's all crumbled. I mean, I was almost close to finishing it, but it's all just crumbled up. So I'm going to try and pick up as much product as I can in this state, and I'll have to buy one online later on. Just on the high points of your cheeks, around the hairline, this is quite a universal colour. Probably a little bit on the light side for me. I could actually go a shade darker, which I think I will purchase. Don't forget your nose. The nose is usually the first place the sun catches you. A little bit over the eyebrows. And a little under my lip, just to give the illusion of a fuller lip. I don't know if it really works, but that's just what I do. And don't forget the neck. And the brush I used for my bronzer was the multitask brush from Real Techniques. So now for highlight, I use my NYX Strobe of Genius palette. So using my e.l.f. powder brush, I'm going to dip into these two colours here and just on the high points of my cheeks. along the bridge of my nose and a little on the tip. And my Cupid's bow. And then using my multitask brush, I just blend it all out to make sure there's no harsh lines. So going into my Nars Laguna bronzer again, I'm going to use my Real Techniques Dome Shadow brush and just go over my lids and into the crease. And then I just highlight my brows with the same shades I used for the highlight on my cheeks. And then with this lilac colour here, I'm just going to use my pinky and dab it in the inner corners of my eyes. And then just blend it out with my e.l.f. blending brush. Okay, so now for my brows, I'm going to use my Maybelline Brow Drama in dark brown. So I start off backwards, just to give the brows texture and that kind of fluffy look, which I like, and then forwards. For mascara, I'm going to use my beloved Lancome Hypsnose Drama mascara. I'm happy to spend the money on mascaras because I really do think that they make a difference to your complete look. I just sort of start at the root and wiggle up. With the bronzer also, just taking my e.l.f. defining brush, I just fluff it out underneath the lash line. Then for the inner rim and waterline, I love the Rimmel eyeliner Scandalous Eyes in dark brown. It's waterproof and I find it just stays put all day. Like a bronzy tint to it. It's really pretty. So now onto my lips. I use my NYX retractable lip liner in Natural. And the lipstick I'm loving at the moment is the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in Purely Nude. I just love it so much. It's a gorgeous colour. So that brings us to the end of this look. I mean, this is the look that I wear on a daily basis when I'm going to work, running errands, when I want to look pulled together but not spend too much effort, that no makeup look, nude, bronzy, glowy. It's just a look I like. It doesn't take long at all, 5 to 8 minutes, and I just feel really pulled together. I'll just take out my hair. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!